What's up, guys? It's Selena Cooks here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, guys, today I'll be making Nigerian Chin Chin. I'll just call them Bisheti. So, guys, for my ingredients here today, I have baking powder, I have my one egg, I have margarine, or you can use butter, I have milk, sugar, all-purpose flour, and cinnamon powder. So, let me just begin with my preparation, guys. I have my 2 cups of flour there. So guys, next I go in with my sugar, and I've used 1/4 cup of sugar. Next I go in with my half tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Then I go in with my 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And I'm just going to mix these dry ingredients together. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go in with my butter. So guys, I've added in there my butter. So guys, I'm just going to rub in the butter with the flour. Yeah. I'm just going to start by adding my egg, then my milk, I'm just going to mix this and knead my dough. Let's just see how they're gonna come out. So guys, my dough is ready now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover with a clean towel and let the dough rest for a while. So guys, I'm just going to divide my dough into 2, then work with 1. Yeah. I'm just going to work with this one. Yeah. Yeah, so after cutting like this, guys, I'm just going to cut again. So this is how they cut the chin-chins, guys.
Sorry, my knife isn't that sharp. But this is how they cut the chin chin. Yeah. So yeah guys, I have my chin chins here. I've cut them. Yeah, so I'm just going to put them in the oil and fry them. So since I don't have a big spoon, guys, I'll just carry them like this. Add in the oil.
So guys, my chin chins are ready and I'm telling you they are super delicious and crunchy. Kindly go try this recipe in your homes and tell me what you think about this recipe in the comment section. If you're new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing and don't forget to like, comment and share. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for watching my video and supporting me. So guys, thank you so much and see you in my next video. Bye.